Welcome to MathDOC. Zero to hero in mathematics.
Okay, let's move further. Third one, you need to remember this. Third one, intercept form. Do with me. Here x-axis, y-axis. Here given data x-intercept A, y-intercept B. Those two intercept given. Then here x-intercept A means this point will be A, 0. Here y-intercept B means this point will be 0, B. Then that's also 2-point form. These 2 points given now. Then consideration of P, take point x bar, y bar. Then I'm going to write this angle tan value. B divided by A, according to my diagram. B divided by A equal y bar divided by, here this length. This coordinate x bar, then A minus x bar. Okay, here given data x-intercept and y-intercept. Here B over A equal y bar over A minus x bar. Now plus multiply. AB minus BX bar equal AY bar. Put minus term other side. BX bar plus AY bar equal AB. Now take x bar as x, y bar as y, then bx plus ay ab. Now better to divide by ab to remember this expression. bx over ab, ay over ab equal 1. Then here x over a plus y over b equal 1. Here we call intercept form. Only the given data x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept A, y-intercept B. Then the equation x over A plus y over B equal 1. X over A plus y over B equal 1. That is third form, intercept form. Right, so remember that equation like y equal mx plus c. Now there are 3 done. Here in this case, 2 points given. Say A, x1, y1. Say B, x2, y2. These 2 points given. Then according to that, we can write this gradient y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Here's the gradient. You take general point like previous case P, x bar comma y bar. Then using this, you write again gradient y bar minus y1 over x bar minus x1. Then they must be same. Okay. Then you can select y, P and A. Forget gradient, and further you can select P and B, both possible. Then cross multiply, then y bar minus y1 equal y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 times x bar minus x1. You remember this pattern. So this also point slope form. Here slope, no? Point already given. Then here you can consider this one as point slope form. But here especially 2 points given, and therefore we say this 2 points. Now take x bar as x, y bar as y, then y minus y1 equal y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 times x minus x. Here this is final answer. Better to remember, but it is important to remember this pattern. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 gradient, and select only 1 point and write the relation. The final answer is this. Here this can be y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, and as well as y1 minus y2 over x2 minus x1. That's both possible. Time's enough. Then fifth one, normal form. Normal form. Let's see what is that. Here x-axis, y-axis. Here this line given, and the given data perpendicular distance from the origin given as p. And further, here anticlockwise sense angle given theta, anticlockwise sense from the positive direction of the x-axis, that's for perpendicular distance. Okay, here also take this on all. I'll do this construction. Take this point x bar comma y bar. Then here this coordinate x bar, and here p no. Then here this length p cos alpha. P cos alpha. Take this on all. Here this length y bar. That is y bar. And here this length p sin alpha. P sin alpha. Now here angle theta, here 90 minus theta. Then when you consider here this angle, that is theta. Here this angle theta. Now I'm going to write tan theta. Here not theta, that is alpha, okay? That is alpha. Now see tan alpha. Here this small triangle. Tan alpha means opposite side. Here this length. Okay. Here consider small triangle. Tan alpha here opposite side. Here coordinate x bar and here this length p cos alpha. Then here this difference will be x bar minus p cos alpha. Divide by here this length. Here full length p sin alpha. Here this part y bar. Then p sin alpha minus y bar. The same. Then sin alpha over cos alpha. X bar minus p cos alpha. P sin alpha minus y bar. Now cross multiply. P sin squared alpha minus y bar sin alpha. X bar cos alpha minus p cos squared alpha. Now take here y bar the other side, p here this side. Then p sin squared alpha plus cos squared alpha for these two. X bar cos alpha plus y bar sin alpha for these two. Now take x bar as x, y bar as y. Then here x cos alpha plus here y sin alpha, and here sin squared plus cos square 1, therefore it is p. Here we call normal form. Normal form. Do it soon. For this case, given data, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line P, and that perpendicular make positive direction of the x-axis and clockwise sense alpha angle. Then using those two, we can get the equation of the line, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. Now check this. Next one, sixth one, parametric form. Parametric form. Here in this case, a point given a comma b, and this gradient m given. Then take this point P, x bar y bar, and this gradient right, y bar minus b over x bar minus a equal m. Then here cross multiply. y bar minus b over m equal x bar minus a over 1. Put another equal sign with t. Now subject x bar for these two, x bar equal t plus a, and for these two y bar equal mt plus b. Then point b, you can write t plus a comma mt plus b. This format we call parametric form. Like that. Parametric form එකේ දෙන data එක point equals slope එක. ඒ කියන්නේ point slope form එකට මේක IT. Here this t call parameter. This t call parameter. Here I have separated here x and y terms. I have separated. Then put another equal sign with t. That t call parameter. Then these two coordinates we can write a single variable t. That variable called parameter. That is parametric form. Then last one, general form. General form. Now we have analyzed few different forms. First one, y equal mx plus c. Second one, y minus y1 equal y minus a, y minus b, m times x minus a. Then y minus x over a plus y over b equal 1. Then x minus y1, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay. Then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. Here these are special type 2, 3, 4, 5. Just forget that parametric form. Now here there are 5. So when you consider all together, here see x to the power 1 expression there, y to the power 1 expression there. In each and every expression, x linear pattern, y linear pattern in x power 1 expression. And here you can't see any xy terms, no, x into y terms not there. Okay, so this format we can write generally here this way: ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here this form we call general form. Here there are x terms, there are y terms, and there are constant terms. There are 3 types of terms. Then general form we say ax plus b by c equals 0. X is power 1, power 1, c. Here ABC. Here ABC, they are real, but at same time AB cannot be 0. Okay, at same time AB cannot 0. So when AB equal at once, then these two terms will disappear. Then constant cannot be equal to 0. No? Now write that. Okay, right. Ax plus by plus c equals 0 is the general form. Ax plus by plus c equals 0 is the general term. Here a, b, c are real values. Here a, b, c are real values. But a equal b equal 0, a equal b equal 0 cannot occur at once. A equal b equal 0 cannot occur at once. Next star mark. In this form, in this form, the formula contains linear pattern of x and y. Linear pattern of x and y. And also no xy terms. No xy terms. No xy terms. Xy means x into y single term. Okay, now see this. Now we have analyzed about different forms of straight lines. Okay, there are 6 forms. We have done all. There are 7 patterns. We have done all. Then after we need to get some relations, straight line point relations, 2 point and straight line relations, and 2 straight line relations. We need to analyze them all. Before that, let's do few questions. ඔයාලා group එකට මම message එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා මේ questions වගේ. ඉස්සෙල්ලා එතනට එමුකෝ. මම එකක් දෙකක් හදලා පෙන්නන්නම්. Okay. I'll do few questions. You can apply directly. Here question number 1, we need to find straight line. Gradient given 3. It passing through 2,4. Then you consider point slope form. Let y minus 4 equal 3 times x minus 2. That's all. Then better write in general form. 3x minus y, here minus 6 minus 4 equal minus 2. Here it is. Check this data and write the equation directly. If you have any doubt, just ask. මේක හම්බුනේ නැති කට්ටිය මට මෙසේජ් එකක් දාන්න කලින් මම group එකට දැම්මා. Second one, straight line of gradient minus 2 and passing through 0, minus 3. Same pattern. Gradient minus 2 that passing through 0, minus 3. Then this line you write y minus minus 3 equal m times x minus 0. Y difference equal m times x difference. Then y plus 3 equal minus 2x. Now write in general form. 2x plus y plus 3 0. That is question number 2. Question number 3. Here 2 point given. Minus 2, minus 3, 2, 5. 2 point given. Then you apply 2 point form. First, consider 1 point. Y difference. Y minus minus 3 equal m times x difference. Yeah, x difference x minus minus 2. Then using these to find gradient, put it here. 5 minus minus 3. 2 minus minus 2. Now simplify. Y plus 3, 8 over 4, x plus 2. Then y plus 3 equal 2x plus 4. Then right here 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. This is it. Then according to the given data, you select the form. Now discuss karana. Question number 5, straight line with intercept 2 and gradient 3. And here intercept, just intercept means it is y intercept. It is 2 gradient 3. Then here the pattern y equal mx plus c. Slope intersection form, no? Then y equal 3x plus 2. That's all. Likewise, to directly the equation of the straight line. මේ සෙට් එක හැම වෙලේම ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් ෆ්‍රික්ෂන් එක හම්බ වෙනවා. දැන් part A එකේ ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් සර්කල්ස් වලින් ෆ්‍රික්ෂන්ස් තුනක් විතර සෙට් වෙනවා. ඒකේ මේවා ඩිරෙක්ට් ඇප්ලයි කරන්න තියෙනවා. තියරි එක ඩිරෙක්ට් ඇප්ලයි කරන්න තියෙන part A ෆ්‍රික්ෂන් සර්කල්. දැන් සිම්පල් ෆ්‍රික්ෂන්ස් කියන්නේ මේ සැර එක්සෑම් එකේ normal මේ part A ෆ්‍රික්ෂන්ස් ටික ගොඩක් ලේසි කරයි. මොකද මේ දවස්වල තියෙන කේස් එකත් එක්ක ඔතන ස්කෝර් කරන්න දායි. ඒකින්ද හැම ලෙසන් එකකම part A type එකට set වෙන theory applications ඒවා ටික practice කරලා යන්න exam එකට මේ සැරේ ලියන කට්ටියට. Okay. Question number 6. Straight line with intercept -3 and gradient -half. The gradient -half. Intercept -3. Then y equal mx plus c. Half x plus c. This is it. Now 2y equal -x minus 3. Finally x plus 2y plus 3 equals 0. 0 done.